This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you legitimately own this iPhone, gather proof of purchase, the Apple ID, and the device serial number. Once done, make an iCloud or iTunes backup so you don't lose photos or settings. Make sure you can receive verification at the recovery email or phone tied to the Apple ID. This is critical. These preparatory steps let you pursue official recovery paths without attempting a security bypass, and they speed up support if you contact Apple. Next, use Apple's official recovery tools. If you can't remember the Apple ID password, go to iForget. Apple. Calm and start account recovery. Follow verification prompts. If you control the Apple ID on the phone, you can erase and set up the iPhone through iCloud. Calm Find My, which removes screen time only after legitimate sign-in. If those fail, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store with your proof of purchase. They will guide account reset or device service in authorized ways. Finally, after Apple verifies ownership and you regain account access, restore your backup so your data returns to the iPhone, and then set a new screen time passcode tied to a known Apple ID. Make sure to store that Apple ID recovery info securely to avoid repeat issues. If you encounter activation lock or cannot verify ownership, the one key troubleshooting tip is to present original proof of purchase to Apple. Without that, they cannot remove certain locks for security reasons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.